Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your screen over on Teams. So in order to share your screen on Teams, what you simply need to do is first of all open Teams. Then what you need to do is of course first join a meeting. So I'm going to quickly get into a meeting just like this. Now what you can do is you can join meeting. And basically once you're in the meeting, you will of course have this right here. You will be able to do a lot of things. However, in order to actually share your screen, what you need to do is head over to the top right corner of your screen, just next to leave. It will say share right here where you want to click on. What you then want to do is select which screen you want to basically share. So you can either share your entire screen, however you can also just share one window only. So you can basically change and basically choose whatever you want. What you can also do is include the computer sound if you want to enable that. That's not really necessary. However, if you're basically showing a video or something, that might be smart. But yeah, for now I'm going to just share my entire screen. So I'm going to click on that. And basically once you've done that, you will find this view right here. You will find this red bar basically around your screen, meaning that you are currently streaming. And in order to simply stop streaming, what you can do is click on stop presenting, and then you'll go back to your screen basically like that. What you can also do is basically share your screen like this, but now we can't basically see people. So what you can simply just do is click here and you're still streaming, however you're also viewing this window right here. And what you then can do is simply click right here again and click on stop streaming again. And that's basically the basics on how you can actually start streaming over on Teams, basically how you can share your screen. So yeah, that's all we need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.